What's up, Facebook people? I just got off my Instagram page. I made a live review there on Ultravalve from RHG products. You can also probably catch it over with J.Racenstein in Santa Ana. Make sure you guys get in contact with Jenny, Allison, or Doug. I'm sure they are going to be carrying these products from RHG because they only carry the top of the line equipment that us professionals deserve and that we like using. What I am reviewing today is the Ultravalve from RHG. Let me give you guys my personal feedback on it. I'm going to take you guys over to my water fit pole and the valve itself. Let me give you a little description of what we're talking about. Here you go. RHG. Putting in some work this morning. I got two valves, one for the ground guy, one for the guys on the boom lift. This valve is very impressive. I like the design. I like the features. I like the finish. Pretty amazing. They did a really good job by engraving that RHG products on there. It's beautiful. Makes their product stand out very good. One thing I like about it, very easy to operate. Look at that. That's just pressure from the spigot from the facility. I'm getting at least a good 5 feet distance, which I don't need it, right? But that's all DI water coming out. Now, for the guys that use ball valves, I'm not gonna lie, I was one of them. I used to have a 1/2-inch ball valve with a 1/2-inch push valve adapter on the end, and then a 1/2-inch female coupling on the end to hook up my male end from my 3/8-inch hose. Now with RHG, they developed or they designed and created all-in-one Ultravalve with your 3/4-inch coupling and then your 3/8-inch push valve on the end, which is amazing. This product fits right in your hand. I need to cut my nails. Sorry, I haven't even had time to do that. Anywho, we're not reviewing my nails today. We're reviewing this product. Fits right in the palm of your hand. No problem. It's very light. There's no weight to it. The review today is pretty much the design, the style, the weight on it, you know, how easy it is to operate. As far as durability, if I do find that it's become an issue, you know, in a matter of months, I'll do another review on it. I really want to see how this push valve is going to hold up. One issue that I did have in the beginning, which was a little bit upsetting, but after carefully inspecting, it was not the Ultravalve that was at fault. It was the end of my hose. So if you can see, I got a fresh cut on here. Perfect cut. Focus, there you go. See that? Got a brand new single blade out, trimmed it out, and it's perfectly cut. Look at that. Ooh. So here's the after. I mean the before. I had this valve sitting on the end. Wait, yeah, it was this side. Sitting on the end. See the groove on that? From so many push fittings, or pushing it so much into those fittings. That was creating a puddle of water from coming out of this end. So I was like, oh man, we're gonna have issues with this push valve. Something's not right. So after, you guys bear with me, I'm gonna put my new water fed hose into the Ultravalve. Let me sit it down in there properly. Okay, I think it's on. It's on now. Turn it on. Not one drop of water coming out of here. All of your water is getting fed right through that line to the end of your water fed pole. So J.Racenstein, if you guys need this product, make sure you guys get in touch with J.Racenstein. Contact Jenny, Doug, but this product is amazing. ProWindowz strongly recommends it at $54 a pop, I think. It's very well invested, I think. I got 4 of these just because I like keeping products in stock, just in case something goes wrong. But until then, ProWindowz. I love it. Very easy to turn on and off, not compared to a ball valve that they do get a little stuck on there. But this one, finger, look at that. Very easy to operate. I don't have to sit there and clench my fist to turn that valve open, or dropping it and then a piece of my ball valve, my plastic PVC valve broke or has a hairline crack on it. Definitely recommend this Ultravalve from RHG. You guys have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure you drop them on the comment section down below. Share this video with your friends, your fellow competitors out there. Like I said, we're here to learn this business and educate. You guys have questions, ProWindowz is here to help you guys out. Until then, you guys have a beautiful, humid day.